Finances are a crucial part of what makes a business successful. Businesses often hire accountants to prepare and examine financial records. But who makes sure these records are truly accurate? And who makes sure they follow certain regulations? Well, that's where auditors come in.
An auditor is a person who is authorized to review and verify the accuracy of financial records. They ensure that companies comply with tax laws, protect businesses from fraud, point out discrepancies in accounting methods, and help organizations spot ways to boost operational efficiency. Auditors are required to determine whether financial statements follow the generally accepted accounting principles or, in international business settings, ensure companies are in compliance with the International Financial Reporting Standards. Auditors inspect accounting data, financial records, and operational aspects of a business and take detailed notes on each step of the process, known as an audit trail. Once complete, the auditor's findings are presented in a report that appears as a preface to financial statements. Sometimes separate, private reports may be issued to company management and regulatory authorities. However, some states require third-party audits for nonprofit organizations to ensure donor resources are being used correctly. There are 4 different types of auditors. They are internal, external, government, and forensic auditors. Internal auditors are hired by organizations to provide in-house, independent, and objective evaluations of financial and operational business activities, including corporate governance. They report their findings, including tips on how to better run the business, back to senior management. External auditors work in conjunction with government agencies. They are tasked with providing objective and public opinions about the organization's financial statements and whether they fairly and accurately represent the organization's financial position. Government auditors maintain and examine records of government agencies and of private businesses or individuals performing activities subject to government regulations or taxation. Forensic auditors specialize in crime and are used by law enforcement and organizations.
If companies do not have auditors, they open themselves up to the possibility of theft, embezzlement, and liability, which could ultimately cause a collapse of the company. In order to avoid this, there is a high demand for auditors to ensure a company's finances are in order and accurate. Generally, an auditor may work with the government, private companies, or individuals in the public sector. Organizations that may hire an auditor include government agencies, insurance companies, banks, private businesses, or universities. Auditors add value to these institutions not only by ensuring revenues are received and spent according to laws and regulations, but also by helping manage risk, communicate with executives, verify that accounting books are correct and comprehensive, and also by safeguarding a company's assets.
You might be thinking, what is the supply for auditing? Well, the supply or the qualifications are needed for this job, and how can a college student pursue a career in auditing? Well, general certifications consist of a bachelor's degree in accounting or a related field is required to become an accountant or auditor. Completing a certification such as a certified public accountant, a CPA, or a certified internal auditor, which is a CIA. These are preferred by many employers as it can increase earnings and just goes to show that you have knowledge and background information of these topics. So a career path for an auditor is first to achieve a bachelor's degree in accounting related field, then to gain auditing experience during or after college through internships, after graduation to get an entry-level auditing position where you can receive on-job training so you can expand your skills or knowledge. After 3 to 5 years of auditing-related experience, you may be eligible for a promotion to a senior auditor who is very familiar with the organization of the industry. After 5 to 8 years of auditing-related experience, you can be eligible to become an audit supervisor or manager who oversees supervising auditors and staff, as well as assisting and planning. After 8+ years of related experience and proven management experience, you can become a chief audit executive, a CAE, who is in charge of the auditing department as a whole and who reports to the CEO of an organization.
The median pay in 2022 for an auditor or accountant is $78,000 per year. Additionally, from 2022 to 2032, the job outlook is projected to grow 4%, about as fast as average for auditors. About 126,500 job openings are projected each year on average over the decade for accountants and auditors. Economists believe that jobs for auditors are tied to the health of the overall economy. Additionally, As more companies go public, there will be a greater need for public accountants or auditors to handle the legally required financial documentation. The continued globalization of businesses may lead to increased demand for accounting expertise and services related to international trade and international mergers and acquisitions. While the future of AI is still unpredictable, some auditing tasks may be automated, and additionally, they may become more widespread. AI will not replace the auditor's assessment of financial documents. Instead, it will do a lot of the data entry tasks that will make the auditor's job easier and minimize errors in financial reports. Auditing might be for you if you have a detail-oriented personality, enjoy organization and structure, can influence or persuade others, and find social responsibility very important. Additionally, the job comes with many benefits. There is lots of career flexibility, it has good pay compared to many other industries, there are many job opportunities, and you can gain lots of business knowledge in this position that could be helpful in other areas of life.